Okay, this is a Bekenet Trading software platform. And this platform, we use softwares to trade. We don't do analysis here. We don't do analysis. We only use softwares to trade. The software tells us when to buy and when to sell. So I'm going to train you guys on a short video on how you can use the crypto aspect, which is the free platform, to know how you can make money with it. It's very, very simple. So I'm going to take you now to the app. So after the short training, you are free to ask any question you want to ask about the software, okay? But for now, I'm going to be training you on how you'll be able to use the software to trade for free without paying a dime. You understand? Without paying anything, by using it to trade for crypto. So I'm going to go straight to the point. Now, immediately you log in, you see a dashboard. We are currently upgrading the app to a voice command. As you can see, I can actually say voice command. The software will be able to generate signal for me with just my voice command, but that's not what we are here for today. Then I'm going to show you how you can navigate through the app manually to get signal from the crypto aspect. So once you've signed up, you don't need to pay anything. You don't need to do anything. Just click on this three line you're saying. This three line you're saying. Click on the three line. Come to crypto. Look at it. Crypto department. Just click on this crypto. That's where we are going to focus on today. I'll click on crypto. Under crypto, we have a lot of menu here, but the menu we are going to focus on is what? Smash 100 and the inbuilt chart. Smash 100 with what? Inbuilt chart. That is what we are going to focus on. So with this Smash 100, we'll be able to know when any particular crypto pair is about to buy and about to sell. I'm going to show you how you'll be able to identify that. Okay, so first thing first, what I need to do is click on this crypto Smash 100. It's going to load me to this page. It's very simple. It's not rocket science. Just follow me. It's going to load me to this page. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on this what? Blue icon you're seeing. So I'm going to click on this blue icon. It's going to bring a drop down. As you can see, you see names of all the crypto pairs. You're going to see a drop down. Then you select the pair you want the software to analyze for you. Now let's use BTC for example. I'm going to select BTC. You click OK. Click OK again. Underneath it, you see that it's going to what? Give you the detailed information about this crypto. As you can see, it's telling us crypto is up. So crypto has been buying for the past 12 hours. So had it been we spot it when it was zero candle, up move and all that, we would have taken a buy. So let me show you what you need to look out for. The only thing you need to look out for is very simple. Once you get this page now, what your focus should be on what? The trend direction and what? The numbers of candle. Trend direction and what? Numbers of candle. So if the trend direction is telling us up move, it means that is a buy. If it's telling us down move, it means that what is a sell. It's as simple as that. So now that we've confirmed that this is a buy move, what is the next thing we need to look out for? We look at the numbers of candle. The ranges of which you take a trade, either a buy or sell, the numbers of candle must be in a range of 0, 1, or 2. So currently now the candle is already 12 and the price has gone very, very far. This is the entry price. Price has gone very far. So we are not going to take this trade. We will now search for another opportunity to take the trade in the market. So how do we use this pattern to take a trade? First thing for, look at the trend direction. If it's telling us up move, then we look at the numbers of candles. Numbers of candles must fall in the range of 0, 1, or 2. Anything above 2, we don't take the trade again. It's as simple as ABCD. This is the only thing you need to do. You don't need to do any analysis, just this figure. Once you get it, two things. Once you get it, you place your trade, put your stop loss, and what? You are good to go. Before I'll show you how to use the inbuilt chart to filter out this signal we just get, I'll go back to the main page now. I'll go back to the Telegram group here so that I'll ask you if you actually understood what I've just done now before we move on, because it's very simple. It's not rocket science. So what I just did now, did you understand it? All the new guys that are here, do you understand it? If you don't understand it, feel free to ask any question. This is the only thing you need to do for you to make money with this app. You don't need to plot anything. You don't need to stress yourself at all. Do you understand what I just did now? I'm talking to the new guys who are just coming in. Feel free to ask any question.
Yes,
I understand.
the app itself is.
You said?
No, the app is okay. It's very clear.
All right, very clear. So now we've understood the first part.
Okay,
Then the second, yes, go ahead. Go ahead. Feel free. Ask any question.
Maybe I will leave about to continue. I want to.
Ask your question. I'm here for you guys. Ask any question. If your network is bad, let's proceed. So now that we've gotten our up move, the next thing we need to do is to use the inbuilt chart to plot a key level so that we'll not take a trade when it's already close to a resistance or a support. So how do you do that? Let me go back to the app. I'll come here, select down. Very simple. Click home. I'll click this three line again at the top, this three line that you're seeing. I'll click it. Just go to my crypto. Click on charts. Look at it here, charts. Click on this chart. I'll click it. Then this chart will now load you all the whole pairs that you're seeing. Where did we see our signal? We got our signal from BTC. So I'll click on this menu here. Select BTC. Please help me to look for BTC. Look at it at the bottom here. The next thing I need to do, I'll click on load to load the candles for me. I'll click on load. This is the current candle, meaning that I didn't we spotted it when it was 0. We should have been in profit, but I did not trade crypto today. I said that's how it is. Then the next thing you need to do, click on select. The next thing you need to do, click on WL, which is the weekly key level. We normally use weekly key level to check what is happening for the whole week. You can use your daily, you can use your previous, you can use this one, but I prefer you guys should stick to the WL, which is the weekly key level. So I'm going to click on this WL. It's going to plot a line for me. As you can see, the key levels are very far. There's one key level here. There's another key level. This is just a pivot. So how do we take our trade? Now that I'm seeing that there's a space here, is a trade because the software already told me that this is a bullish move. So our take profit is going to be this green line you're seeing because that's a recent resistance level. But had it been, let's use this candle that we're seeing here. Let's use this one as an example. Let me show you what you need to avoid. Let's say, for instance, we went to that smash 100 and it told us to buy. And the current candle is this one, which is already close to a resistance. We are not going to take that trade because there's no room for us to buy. It's already close to a resistance. And when price gets to a resistance, there are two things involved. Number one is either it's going to break or it's going to reject. So we don't gamble here. So we'll leave that trade and search for another opportunity. But since this one now, there is a space for us to buy to the top. I think we spotted it when it was 0, 1, or 2. We'll take the trade and relax our mind, allow the market to do its thing. We would have been in massive profit had it been spotted it. Then where do we put our stop loss? We put our stop loss below a support level. Our stop loss is always below a support level, not here, not inside here, below a support level. We don't use tight stop loss here. Do you understand it? For you to be profitable, if you look at my Facebook page, you see profit. Is because there's a pattern we use to approach the market. We don't use tight stop loss. We don't use 20 pips stop loss. We don't use 30 pips stop loss. We don't use 50 pips stop loss. Our stop loss ranges from 70 to 80 pips. Then with you apply your proper risk management, you allow the market to do its thing. So had it been I wanted to take this trade when it was one candle, my stop loss is going to below this resistance level, below this support. The reason because before market will come and take me out, it will struggle to come and break this place. So long as on an uptrend direction, it's going to be difficult for it to break this level and take me out. The highest it's going to do is going to swing down a little bit, then gather momentum to the top. So that is how we take our trade. Then if, for instance, we're about to get a sell opportunity, Let's use this candle as an example, this one here. Let's say the software told us to sell, and we come to the inbuilt chart. We saw that this thing is already close to this support. The distance is not much. We're not going to take that risk because it's already close to a support. We'll leave it and look for another opportunity that we have that we can see something that is very clear like this, that the space is very, very clear. Even the blind will see it. We'll be able to take that trade. That is the only thing you need to do and be profitable using this software. So long you apply proper risk management, you'll be able to be profitable at the end of this week that is coming in. You understand? Just apply proper risk management. For the crypto guys, you guys are the one I'm training. It's free. You don't need to pay anything. Use your Bybit, use your derivative. Just apply proper risk management. Number one thing you need to understand about this app can give you 10 trades. 3 might hit stop loss. We have not ruled out anything like stop loss because we hit stop loss most times. But the beautiful thing is that we are always winning at the end of the day. So that's the more reason why you need to apply what? Proper risk management. We don't flip accounts here. We don't do that. And we don't trade what? News. We only trade the real market. You understand? That is how we do our thing. So that is all about for the crypto aspect. We are still going to show you other things for the crypto aspect, but this is the basic one that you need to know how to trade without you analyzing the market at all. You don't need to do any analysis. Just follow what I just showed you. You are going to be profitable. So is there any question on this inbuilt chart? Most times it's always confusing for the newbie. Is there any question on that? Let me break it down a little bit. But if there is no question, let's proceed.
Question. Good evening, Bekenet.
Yeah, I lost you. I missed you. I really lost you. Network was bad.
You said what?
I said I lost you after the first part you explained. I lost you. Network was bad. I had to switch to my Glow to join again.
Okay, which part? The inbuilt chart I was explaining, right?
Yes, yes. After the login and all that.
Okay, no problem. Let's go back again. It won't take our time. Yes, 3 minutes, we are done. So now let's go back again. I'll click home. This is for the crypto guys. Once you log in into the app, look at it. This is your department. It is free. You're not paying anything. Just click on this crypto. Select. This is where you need to focus on. You focus on this. This is Smash 100. And this is your chart. This chart is for you to filter out the signal you're going to get in if it's close to a resistance or support. Then this is where the software will enable you to analyze the market for you without you doing any analysis. Just click on it. Crypto Smash 100. Click on this blue icon here. You see a drop down. You see a drop down of all the pairs. Select any pair that you want the software to analyze for you. If I'm trading crypto, I prefer to trade BTC, only BTC alone. Just click it, click OK, click another OK. You see that scroll down is going to give you detailed information of what is happening in crypto. Detailed information. You see that today is Sunday, this is the time and everything. Give you detailed information. How do we use this information to know that we are going to buy or sell? It's very simple. We look at the trend direction. If the trend direction is telling us up move, meaning that it's a buy. If it's telling us down move, meaning that it's a sell, that is the only 2 things you need to look out for. Any other thing, you don't have any business with that. As you're coming into the Smash 100, what should be on your mind? Should I see up move or down move? If you see up move, it's a buy. If you see down move, it's a sell. So once we've spotted this now that is showing up move, the next thing now, the numbers of candle should be considered. Numbers of candle must be in the range of 0 or 1 or 2. 0 means that it's just started buying now, 1 hour ago. 1 means that he has started buying 2 hours ago. 2 means that he has started buying 3 hours ago. So BTC has been buying for the past 12 hours now. So had it been you spotted it when it was 0, you would have been a massive profit as it is now. So now it's already 12. We cannot take the trade again because we don't buy from high. We buy from low when it's starting. That's how it works. So once you've confirmed it, now this is up move. Let's assume this is 0 candle. That means we want to take a buy. The next thing we need to do for us to filter the trade so that we will not be close to a resistance or a support, we'll switch back, go back, click on back, go back to the menu again, on crypto, select charts. Then this chart will be able to see what is actually happening in the market, where the key levels is. All I need to do, select here, look at it, very simple, it's not hard at all. Select it, look for BTC, click load. It will load the candle for BTC. It load it out. As you can see, already in the bullish move in profit. If you minus 12 hours from now, you see that the price was here before it started going up. You can verify it yourself. So that's why the software is very, very profitable. So once you've gotten this daily candle, the next thing you need to do, click on settings, select WL, which is the weekly candle. Just select WL. It will generate a key level for you. Do you understand? Now, what are the things to look out for? What does this key level represent? This key level represents that once price gets to this place, there are two things involved. It's either it's going to break out or it's going to drop down. So we don't take trade when price is already close to a key level. Like this one now, let's assume it's zero candle. We are going to take this trade because there's a space for us to move to this take profits. Now, I used this one as an example before. Let's assume that we came to this place and we saw this candle and it's telling us to buy. We cannot take a buy because it's already close to this resistance level. We cannot take a buy. We'll run for our dear life because when price get to a resistance level, there are two things involved. It's either a break or a drop. It's either it bounces off or a break. You understand? That's how it is. We only take a trade. If we are buying, we know that there's a space for us to run to our next key level. If we are selling, there's a space for us to run to our next support. That's the purpose of this key level. You understand? So now there's a free zone for us to target this area. You understand? So if we are taking this trade as a buy, our stop loss is going to be below this support level. Our stop loss is going to be below this support level because we don't use tight stop loss. We don't use 20 pips stop loss. We don't use 30 pips stop loss. We have a pattern that is working for us. All the results you're seeing on my Facebook, on the Telegram channel, this is what we actually do. We'll use wide stop loss and use proper risk management so that the market will have enough room to breathe. We don't use tight stop loss because if you use tight stop loss, you end up being stopped out. At the end of the day, the market will head to its normal direction that you predicted. So we always put our stop loss below what is support level, take profit. We target this, or you can switch to the daily to use it to get a daily take profit. As you can see, the market has been testing all this key level. It has already tested it. This is just for daily, but I prefer you use what's the weekly, but you can still be monitoring the daily to see if price is getting to a key level and all that. So it's very, very simple as that. So now let me give you an instance. If, for instance, you go to that smash 100 and the system told you to sell, which is down move, zero candle. Let's use this candle for instance. We are not going to take this sell because it's already close to this support level. We don't want to gamble here. We don't gamble. We are always sure that if we are selling, there's a space from where we are to the next support so that we can ride to that support. If we are buying, there must be space from where we are to the next resistance so that we can ride to that resistance. We don't take trade when we're already close to a support, and we don't take trade when we're already close to what? A resistance. So that is what you need to know. Very simple. This is the automated aspect. What you need to know. The system will help you analyze. You just come here, do this little thing I just showed you. You will be fine. Allow the market to do its thing. You're going to be profitable. Like I said, the software can give you 10 trades. Can give you 10 trades. Your first trade might hit stop loss. Nobody can predict when the stop loss is going to come. But the beautiful thing about this application is that at the end of the week, if you are having 30 trades as a rule, the winning is always higher than the losses. There's no way we can rule out the losses from this application. It's not done. There's no holy grail anywhere. I'm telling you the way it is so that you prepare your mind and always apply proper risk management. We don't flip accounts here. We always plan for the worst and prepare for the best. But at the end of the day, the winning is always higher than what? The losses. So that's all for what? The smash 100 and the key level. Then after I've taken your question, I'll show you how you can use the trend direction. The trend direction is for professionals. You'll be able to know what is happening in 1 hour, 4 hours and all that. You can add it to what you know, then improve on yourself. But this one I just showed you is for somebody who you don't want to stress yourself at all. You want the software to help you analyze. It will help you analyze it properly and tell you when to buy and when to sell, just the way you saw it on the adverts that brought you to this place. That's how it is. Currently now, the voice command is not available for crypto. We are trying to put it for synthetic and forex first. But for now, manually, you'll be able to do everything and make money from now till on Sunday. I should be expecting your result if you apply this thing, and it's free of charge. So if you have any question, go ahead. Feel free. Ask me anything at all. Ask anything. I've been in this game for more than 17 years. So ask me any question at all. I'm fully ready. I will answer your question very, very well. So ask anything. Feel free.
Okay, let me go.
How do you take stop loss and sell profits?
Okay, how do you put your stop loss and take profit? I just showed you now. Look at it. It's very simple.
Did you hear me?
Look at. Just tap it. Just tap it. You see the price. These are take profit.
Hello?
Just tap it. Press your hand on it. Just press it. Now you see this red line. If you're taking your stop loss, you shouldn't use the exact price, because most times price will just market will just come and test this place and bounce out. So you just give it a little space. Let's say this is your price. You already copied this price. Just take it down a little, maybe 10 pips or 5 pips below what your stop loss. But your take profit can be less than or can be equal to. You understand? The reason, because we will not allow it to come and just test you and take you out and bounce back again. So just give it a little space below it. Once you tap it, you see the price, and you add a little space underneath it. So that's how it is. Hope that is clear, sir. Hope it's clear. Hope it's understood, sir.
Sorry, my earbud had problem. I missed you again. Sorry, network issue.
Okay, you're after the stop loss and take profit, right?
Yes. My earbud had issue. I had to reconnect again.
Okay, look at it. It's very simple. Look at it. Just tap the green line. Tap any of the line. You see the price. Sure, you're seeing the price now. Are you seeing the price?
Yes, I'm seeing, yes.
Very simple. So you can just look it, write it down, put it as your take profit. Then if you are buying your stop loss, don't always put your stop loss at the same price. Put it 10 pips or 15 pips below the support level, because sometimes if you use this exact price will just come and test it, take you out, then move up, and it's always painful. So just give it a little bit of space. You understand? Give it small space, then you just copy this price, add maybe 10 pips to it or 20 pips, you are good to go. So that's how we generate our stop loss and what take profits. Simple as what ABCD. Any other question?
All right, thank you.
Feel free to ask question. Ask question.
Yes, please. Bekenet, good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Yeah. Hello?
Go ahead.
Yes, it's been a while. Okay, you mentioned Bybit. How about on Binance? Can we use on Binance?
Okay, these are you need to understand how the software works. Okay, now the software have told you to go and buy BTC. It's left for you to use any platform of your choice that you understand. Now, if I wanted to trade BTC, I use what? Deriv. I use Deriv, log in into my MT5 and place the trade there. The most important thing to know the direction of where you're going to. If you're familiar with Bybit, you go to your Bybit, you place your trade there. If you're familiar with every other platform that you can buy or sell BTC, you go there and do your BTC. The assignment of the app is to tell you either to buy or to sell. Simple as ABC. Then you know where you are going to carry out that position out. As simple as ABC. Okay.
Okay. So the app now, how do we install it on our system or on the phone?
Yes, we have after this training now, I'm going to share the link. I'm going to share the app for Android. I'm going to share the link how to download it for iPhone, and the URL you can install it on your desktop. But is a phone something. You don't need a desktop to actually do it, because if the notification is coming, notification comes to the phone, not your desktop. You understand? So after the training, I'll drop app on the Telegram. So just install. It's not rocket science. Then sign up.
Okay.
Practice what I just showed you.
Let me,
You'll be fine.
All right.
The crypto
please, I
is
want to
free.
ask a question.
Go
Can I
ahead.
ask a question?
You are very free, sir.
Okay, now, when the software is telling us to buy or sell, is there a time frame? Like, since, for instance, if I want to go to Bybit to buy, is that a time frame, like say a minute or 2 minute time frame to be able to go into Bybit or Binance and then place a trade?
Okay, this is how it works. You need to understand something. Let's say, for instance, how long have you been trading, sir? Let me just know how to answer your question.
Well, I just started like a month ago.
Okay, you started like a month ago. Very good. That's why you're asking this kind of question. Now that you started a month ago, I believe you're learning from somebody, maybe a mentor and all that. And that your mentor normally give you signal, true or false. They will tell you, go and buy this, go and buy this pair, go and buy this one. Have you experienced anything like that?
Yes.
Okay, now you're going to see this app as your mentor. Do you understand? You're going to see this app as your mentor, as your signal provider. Because if that your mentor tells you to go and buy, it does not tell you to use 5 minutes. It does not tell you to use 10 minutes. It only tell you buy BTC now or buy gold now. You just rush to your MT5, copy the stop loss and take profit. You place your trade. The same thing with the app. The app has already done its own analysis and it's telling you to go and buy. So you don't have any business with 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and all that. You don't have any business with that. It's just for you to open your MT5 or your Bybit, place your trade the way it is. Is that understood, sir?
All right, thank you very much.
All right. More questions, please. More questions. If no questions, I'm going to take you guys to the advanced aspect.
Hello,
Now,
sir.
this aspect. Okay,
Hello,
you ask
sir.
questions. Yeah, go
Yes,
ahead.
my question is that you were saying it is 12 hours, as in 12 candles gone. Is it using a particular time frame to analyze the charts? Are we saying 1 hour or 4 hours or candlesticks? As in, since we'll go back to our own main broker to execute the trade. So are we to look at it under 1 hour time frame or 15 minutes or 30 minutes?
Like I just said something now. Once it tells you buy, you buy. You don't need to look at all those things. Now that 12 hours you're saying. Now let's go back to the app. Let's go back to that place. This is crypto, right? Let's go back. Watch you observe what I'm going to show you now. All right. Now this is how it is. If you're doing your own analysis yourself, you're through
Okay.
with all the way you are going to get your signal and all that. Immediately you get your signal to buy. The price is not going to be waiting for you to be here. This is the current price. It's not going to wait for you. Now look at the price when he told us to buy. And that time, immediately he told us to buy, he will record it as 1 hour when the price was here. So immediately another 1 hour elapses again. We tell you now, I have gotten this signal for 1 hour ago. When it goes to 2, he will tell you, I've gotten this signal for 2 hours ago. When it gets to 3, I've gotten this signal for 3 hours ago. The same thing with this. He's telling you now, I gave this signal 12 hours ago. You as a sensible person, because you know the price is not static. You are not expected to take a trade after the signal has come 12 hours ago. You're only shooting yourself because you want to go and buy from the top and price has gone far. So it's better for you to stick to when he's telling you, I just got the signal now. This is 1 hour now. Or I got the signal now. It's very close, 2 hours. I got the signal now, 3 hours. This is the range you can take a trade. But anything apart from this, price has gone far. So it doesn't use a candle. It's just a normal 1 hour time frame that is using it to tell you that 1 hour don't pass, so 2 hours. Now it's telling us it's 12 hours. BTC has been buying, so we cannot enter that trade again. Even if the PT is not much, you can't do that, so that we follow the rules. That's
all right. It's clear. I'm clear.
Yes.
All right. Thank you.
All right.
That is, you're saying that it must be between 0, 1, 2, as you explained earlier.
If you see 0, fine. If you see 1, fine. If you see 2, fine. But if you see 3, move ahead. Look for another opportunity. Now let's search for another opportunity.
All right,
Let's look for
all right,
condition. Let's see what the system is going to tell us. Let's allow it to load. As you can see, very good. Now you guys can buy this one now. We are going to take this trade. Watch. Before we're going to take this trade, we're going to look at the inbuilt chart to see if this thing is close to a resistance or support. As you can see, it's telling us 2 candles, meaning that this thing has started buying 2 hours ago, but we can still enter, and it's showing us up move. So what we need to do now is to go to the inbuilt chart to see if this price is close to resistance or support. If it's close to resistance, we'll leave it. But if there's a space for us to move to that next resistance, we'll take a buy, apply proper risk management, and we'll relax. So let's verify this now. Let's go. Let's click on the. Hey, do you remember the name of that pair? Let's go back again. I didn't remember the name. Let's go back. Do any of you remember the name? Let's look for it. I didn't picture the name. Oh God, how are we going to find this guy now? This is 7. We've missed that pair. Let's just be searching one after the other.
It is dash USD.
Which one?
DSH USD.
DSH, this one. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, it's very good. DSH, please, you help me, I beg.
Yes, that's it.
Let's write it down.
That's
DSH USD. Okay, let's go to the inbuilt chart. Let's search for it. If it's there, we'll check DSH. Look at it here. So I'll load to see what is actually going on there. Oh, it has bought very well. No wahala. So we are going to click on WL to see what's going on. Okay, there's this space. There's enough room for us. So there's a room for us to get to this place. Then our stop loss is going to be below this level. Then if you feel that once you've done your calculation that this stop loss is very wide, you can scale down to what? The daily DL to use it to get your. You can actually use this one. Use this level here. Use this one, this current one, to make it tight a little bit. But me, if I'm trading, I'm just giving you a clue. If I'm trading, I always use the weekly. I'll put my stop loss below this level here. My take profit is going to be here. Do you get it? Then you relax your mind, allow the market to do its thing. Do you understand? That is how it is. So if you have money in your account, you can take the trade. You understand? You can take this trade and put your stop loss just the way it is. Just tap it, log in, tap it. This is the stop loss. This is your take profit. Place your trade and you relax. That's how it is. Very, very simple. Then you use it to hustle. But most times, all these pairs, they are not really volatile. You understand? They don't really bring out any. But if it's BTC, BTC can move very well for you. All these pairs, they are not really volatile. So that's the only thing. So any other question on this before we move on? Before I'll show you the professional aspect, then those of you who are professional traders can use the trend direction, overall trend direction, apply it to what you know, and you'll be fine. But this one I just showed you is for professionals and it's for newbie, because the software will help you to analyze without you doing anything. Is that clear? So any other question before we move on? Any question, please? It's like it's very clear, right? I think it's very clear.
Yeah, it's very clear. Thank you.
All right. So now let's move to the advanced. Please note this advanced. We call it advanced because the system will not tell you to buy or sell. It will only tell you where the direction is heading to.
Hello.
Yes, go ahead. Yes, go ahead.
Yeah, I'm actually new here. I'm just joining the group. I've been listening to you, but I don't want to just bug you. So I don't know, is there any time you do a kind of a one-on-one section or something? I'm just new in this group. I saw your I saw this Telegram link that was on WhatsApp, so that was why I just joined straight.
But you were with us when I was showing them what to do now, right?
Yeah, I just saw some of the things you are showing on I think on that Bekenet software.
No problem. We already have lot of training videos on YouTube. But what I normally do, if I get new people, I like bringing them together, then train everybody. And apart from that, I'm recording this. So I'm going to post it on the YouTube. Then you can go and watch it. We already have a video on how to use the free crypto. It's very simple. It's not hard.
Thank
The
you
only
very much.
problem that we traders have, we want to buy Lamborghini today without using proper risk management. Like what I always say, the software is not an holy grail. It hits stop loss most times, but if you apply proper risk management, your winnings will be higher than your losses. That's just it. We can't take loss out of it. Just apply proper risk management. You'll be fine. For Forex, we have a risk management calculator. It's only crypto and synthetic we don't have that. You understand? So I'm going to upload this, then go back and watch it. So the next thing I want to show you guys now.
All right, thank you, sir.
It doesn't tell you to buy or sell, but you have a way of taking a trade on that. But it's not always accurate with this. So that's why we call it professional. So if you see it, you can use it to align with your own experience, how you understand the market, and you just align it, then get a signal out of it. But we have a pattern, but it's not guaranteed the way I can beat my chest on this one. So that's why we always leave it for the professionals. So we're going to go there. That one is called the trend direction. You said it's called what? The trend direction. So let's go back to the app. Go back to the app. I'll click home. That should be the last one. I'll click home. Click on this crypto. As you can see, okay, we still have other things here. Look at it. We click on this trend direction, overall trend direction. I'll click it. Then this overall trend direction is going to tell me what is going to happen for that pair. What is actually happening for that pair for a long period of time. So it's not telling you that it's going to buy, it's going to sell. It's just giving you a direction that this is going to be bullish, but I don't know when it started. I don't know when it's going to end. So that's just it. So if you're a good trader, you'll be able to know that this is a bullish move. All my analysis is going to be bullish. This is a bearish move. All my analysis is going to be what? Bearish. That's what this overall trend direction is talking about. You understand? You see the way it is. We still give you the time it started. 1 hour represent 12 hours. 2 hours represent 24 hours. It will be stating them for you just like that. That it just started bullish move, bullish move. This is a bearish move. Let's look for BTC and let's see the overall trend direction. Look at BTC. This is BTC, right? So the overall trend direction is bullish. So the Smash 100 analysis is correct. So if you personally do your analysis, you're supposed to be aligning with this. So this one is going to guide you personally. So that if you want to be doing your own analysis yourself, you want to use the inbuilt chart to confirm your trade, you don't want to take what the software generates, you can come here and confirm the overall trend direction to see where the market is actually going. Why for Forex, we have a lot of them. We have the 4 hours, we have the 1 hour, we have the daily and so on. But this one only shows you the overall trend direction. So this one is for professionals. Okay? It's for professionals. There are detailed videos on how you can use it. I just want to glance through it. But the one you need is that Smash 100 that is going to help you without stress. You don't need to stress yourself at all. Once you see that up move, 0 candle 1 or 2, go to the inbuilt chart, check, apply proper risk management, relax yourself. So that's all. Then the other thing we're going to show you again is the automated aspect that you can be receiving signal alert and all that. That I can tell you that this is up move, this is down move. Let me show you my SMS. Where's my message? Bekenet. As you can see, this is BTC. This is synthetic. You'll be receiving SMS notification like this coming to your SIM card. While device notification will be coming directly to that phone that the app is. But this SMS notification, it is not free. We do not make it free. We only give you access to the software direct. You can do it manually. But if you want to be receiving notification like this, you have to pay for MTN to be to be sending you that notification. But you can still be doing fine, you understand, by checking the app every 1 hour, going into this place, this Smash 100. Check it by yourself every 1 hour to see if it's up move or down move. But if you want to automate it, that is where you come here and click on this thing. You load your pair so that the software will check if you have money in your account. It will notify you to go and buy or sell. Simple as ABC. This is where the notification comes in. for the forex guys, they have this one for free. The crypto, the synthetic, they have it for free and all that. But for the crypto, we don't have money to sponsor this. The only one we have money for is this one that we just showed you now. This one that is free of charge, which is basically what you need. Just go there, also check every 1 hour to see if it's closed, up move, down move, 0, 1, or 2 candles. So I believe that is all for now. Every other thing, all these ones are for forex traders and synthetic guys, and we already have videos for that. You understand? So that is all for now. So if you have any question that you still want to ask, you can go ahead and ask them. Apart from that, we are done for today. Simple as ABCD.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much.
All right,
You said you're going to drop the. You said you're going to drop
yes.
the
Don't
address on
worry.
YouTube so that
Let me
you can
drop
also.
it now. Let me drop it now. Let me drop the app so that
All right.
all I need to do is just click here, share. I'm going to share it on the Telegram. Where is it? This guy. Where is this Telegram channel? Just hold on. Let me just share it. This for the Android users. I'll just share it. Look at it. I've sent it now. Just install it. Install it for the Android guy. Just click install. Then later I'll share the URL. Then let me share the people that are using iPhone. Let me get the video on how you'll be able to do it. There's video. Let me get it and post it there. It's very simple. It's not rocket science. Just hold on. Let me get the video. It's not here. Now I'm going to be sharing this Telegram link so that you can be chatting with other traders here. We have about 200 and something crypto traders here. So you can be interacting with them, drop your reviews, drop anything. If you're losing, you drop it. You're making profit, you drop it. So the Telegram is open. Apart from the one that I'm using to train you guys. That one is my personal Telegram channel where I drop free signal 2 times in a week. But this one that I'm showing you now, it is free. You can open chats, but don't post adverts there. Just communicate with others, interact with others there. You'll be able to see everything there. I'm not getting this thing. I want to share the video for you guys. Okay, I've passed it. This is the video for the iPhone users. If you watch this now, you'll be able to know how to install the app as an iPhone user. If you watch this, you'll be able to know how to install it. It's very simple. It's not hard. If you watch it, I believe this 2 things is what you need. Just sign up for an app. Sign up for the app. This is how to get the app from the, for iPhone users. Practice what I just showed you. At the end of, on Sunday, you'll be the one posting your testimonies. It's as simple as what ABCD. But the only thing, apply proper risk management. Like I told you, we don't flip accounts here. And you cannot use one trade to know a system that is working. At least you must take 10 to 15 trades before you know that it's working very well. Of which I can tell you, this something is working. I've been trading since 2006. I became profitable last year. Do you get it? I became profitable last year because of this application. It's as simple as ABCD. I became profitable 2023. That's where everything turned around. From 2006 to 2022 was win, loss. But from that 2013 to date, like tomorrow, I already know that I must collect $1, $2, $3 before Friday will end. Money is short for me. I may hit top loss, but at the end of the week, I must collect something. So that's what we call consistency. You understand? So that's right. So if you apply proper risk management, at the end of the day, you're going to cash out. It's as simple as that. So that's everything you need to know about the free version of the software. So if you have any question, stay ask. I'm very free. Ask any question, anything you feel like you don't know, ask. I have 17 years of experience in this business. So ask any question. Ask. Free of charge. I will answer you. Or if you are shy, you can drop the question on the Telegram channel, or you can chat me privately. I will answer. The goal is for us to make money without stress. Go ahead. Go ahead. If you have any question, if no question, let's call it a day.
Yeah, I'm fine. I don't have any question for now. I just want to watch the videos on YouTube.
All right, no problem. Any other person? If no question, we should call it a day. Feel free.
Yeah, no
Feel free.
question. I'll watch the video and see.
All right.
All right, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
All right. So we should call it a day. Thank you guys for coming
Thank
out. Thank you.
We appreciate
Thank you. All right. All right. So I'm going to be stopping this now. Stopping the record.